Hey guys, welcome to my project. And today I'm gonna be installing the parking sensor. The reason why I put a little cabinet on the side of the car is I want it to be lined up to the side of the car, so I can use a ruler and locate the sensor head. There's gonna be 4 sensor heads at the back of the car. I'm using the distance between the two very edge sensor head and divided by 3, so I can locate the middle two. Next up, I need to take off the bumper and drill holes and install the sensor head. I don't want the wire to just hang in the air because it might disconnect while driving for whatever reason. So what I'm doing here is I'm gluing the wire against the bumper so it doesn't fall off while driving. I'm drilling a hole on the back of my car because all the wires on the bumper needs to go inside the car to the system. Notice here, I dip my drill bit in the water. This is because I'm drilling metal and the tip of the drill is getting hot. I need to cool it down by dipping it in the water. Like I said before, the wire is going through the hole and around the hole it is sharp. So right here I'm using a file to smooth up around the hole. So when the wire is going through the hole, it doesn't damage the wire or peel off any protection. And after all that work, it's time to put back the bumper. Now we're done with the outside of the car. And let's move into the inside of the car. Let's run the system and the wires. This is a system. All the wires and sensor heads has to connect to it, which is I'm gonna stick it at the back of the car. I'll make another video to explain how this little thing will work, how the system is running, and how each of the sensor is connected to it. Each of the sensor head has a quick connector. And you need to plug in the quick connector to the system. There's a bundle of 4-color wire, and we have to connect it to accessory power, braking light, reverse light, and the negative. And then what I mean by negative is any solid metal bolts or bracket on the car that's unpainted. And basically what that means is the frame of the car, because the whole frame of the car itself is negative. And here I'm using a multimeter to make sure all the wire is connected properly. I need to drill a hole at the back of the car to let the wire through to the reverse light and the braking light. It is always the same process. You drill a hole and then you use a file to clean up the rough edges. I'm using the electrical tape to wrap around the wire to create an extra layer of protection. Peel off the outer layer of the wire at the tip so I can solder it and connect it to the reverse light and braking light. After soldering, use the electrical tape to insulate the circuit. We don't want the circuit to touch the car itself, because the whole car itself, the frame, is a negative, and when positive touches the negative, it will create something called short circuit, where fuses burn. I made a mistake here. The hole I drilled was way too big, and I have to use hot melt glue to fill up all the spaces. There's also prevent around the hole to cut the wire or damage the wire. Because of time, I will spread this project into 3 videos. And also, this is my first YouTube video ever. So let me know in the comment if there's anything I need to improve on. Thank you for watching.